This is a short video to show you how to operate your Force 10 cooker once it's been safely installed. To operate any of the top burners, you need to push the knob in, turn it 90 degrees to the left, keep holding it in and press the igniter switch until a flame appears. Wait for 20 seconds for the thermocouple to engage, then you can release the knob and turn it to adjust the flame. This is a 2-burner cooker with a simmering burner and a rapid burner. The rapid burner is for boiling water and frying. The simmering burner is for delicate sauces and for keeping things warm. To access the oven, you need to press the door safety button, lift to unlatch it, and the door folds away. Like the top burners, you need to push and turn the knob, press the lighter until the flame is lit, and hold the knob in for 20 seconds until the thermocouple is engaged. Then set your temperature and close the door, making sure you press it down to engage the safety lock. After roughly 10 to 12 minutes, your oven should be at the correct temperature and you can pop your food inside. If whatever you're baking requires 2 temperature settings, this is the way to do it. Open the door, turn the oven all the way off, restart it as before, reset the oven temperature, then close the door. The reason for this is that the oven has a thermostatic valve that needs time for the oven to reach its setting before it goes into temperature maintenance mode. Set and forget the temperature to allow the valve to do its thing, and you'll get the best performance from your oven. The grill, or the broiler, is operated by turning the same knob clockwise and is otherwise lit in exactly the same way as the others. When using the grill, the door may be kept fully open, preferably when the boat is stationary, or it can be locked partially open. Don't run the grill for more than 20 minutes, and please never use your cooker as a cabin heater. When you finish using the cooker, it's important to lock it off to avoid wear on the gimbals. The locking mechanism is here at the bottom of the cooker, and it can operate to the left or to the right. Simply slide the tab to the chosen side. You can see the locking pin extend to the left in this case, and push it down to fix it in place. Your cooker is only as good as your gas system allows it to be, so for a small price compared to a new cooker, make sure you have the best quality marine regulator, new hoses and the right gas setup for the job. Ask a professional to install your cooker and they will make sure the whole setup is as it should be from bottle to burner.